Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speaker Sunday. Our today's topic is From Words to Worlds, the chain of thought between humans and artificial intelligence. Before we begin, a small confession. Once I start, I might sound a little gibberish because I am about to sing, yes, sing a few lines from a Bollywood song. It's in Hindi, but stick with me. I'll translate it later. It's a classic Bollywood hit and it ties perfectly into what we are exploring today. Ready? Here we go. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना. All right, for those who are wondering what was that, it's a hero reassuring the heroine. People will always talk. That is just what people do. So ignore the noise or the night might slip away. Beautiful thought, isn't it? We, the people, we always have different opinions, ways of thinking, and then ways to express those in different forms all time. Now hold on to that because in many ways artificial intelligence works just like that. In today's artificial intelligence world, thinking is iterative. You think, then you think little more. Then you check with artificial intelligence for insights. Artificial intelligence, in turn, does not just answer, it thinks with us. It analyzes, connects, expands, helping us see differently and think creatively. That is a magic of generative artificial intelligence. One idea sparking another until something entirely new emerges. Now it's not just people who talk. Technology talks back too. It listens, it learns, it co-creates. So what happens when two worlds, logic and emotion, art and algorithm, finally meet? Let's find out. I got quick experiment ready. Demo 1. Words to image. I'm going to open ChatGPT 5.2 in my Chrome browser and provide this prompt. Create a cinematic poster showing a human and an AI connected through light, symbolizing creativity and intelligence. Watch this. Your words morphing into visual magic. From a sentence to colors, shapes, and feelings that hit you right here. There it is. From imagination to image in seconds. That's not just technology, that is collaboration. A dance between human curiosity and machine intelligence. And folks, we are just warming up. Let's move on to our next demo. Image to story. But a picture worth 1,000 words, right? So why stop there? Every great image needs a killer story. Let's level up. Write a short movie scene where a human and an AI discover they can create something beautiful together. See that? It does not just write lines, it senses rhythm, emotion, tension, resolution. Read that. It's not robotic, it's real. Logic and imagination, hi-fiing, turning digital code into something profoundly human. That is when you realize artificial intelligence is not stealing creativity, it is stretching it. It's turning our what ifs into why nots. From one prompt, a story unfolds. An idea explodes into art. That is generative artificial intelligence superpower. Not stealing your creativity, but supercharging it. Taking your spark and turning it into a wildfire you could not ignite alone. Think about it. From images to scripts, bits to big narratives, artificial intelligence is not erasing our creative age, it is extending it. Like giving your brain extra arms to reach further. This is chain of thought in real time, one idea linking to the next until you have built something game changing. Demo 3, From Art to Action. Alright, let's flip the script from fun creativity to real world fixes because artificial intelligence is not just for artists, it is a problem solver extraordinaire. So let's move on from imagination to innovation. Prompt I'm using is brainstorm fresh practical ideas to cut food waste in busy cities, blending tech gadgets, community vibes, and simple habit tweaks. See, in Heartbeat, AI links technology, people, and everyday changes, spotting connections we would miss in the daily grind. But let us make it super practical, something you or I could try in our neighborhoods. Map out a budget friendly 12-month plan to slash household food waste by half in a typical city. Use smart sensors, a user friendly application, local shops, and fun rewards. Cover who to partner with, how to measure success, easy first steps, and ways to grow it big. Check this out. Artificial intelligence does not dump ideas, it structures them like a pro blueprint. It breaks it down simply, starts with the goal and timeline, clear as day. Tech side, sensors tracking fridge waste, app sending nudge reminders. Community angle, team up with grocery stores for discounts, neighborhood compost swamps. Quick wins, start small with app challenges, reward points for less waste. Metrics and scaling, track pounds saved, user feedback, then expand citywide. That is artificial intelligence teaming up with us, guiding, learning with us. Chain of thought alive, your curiosity kicks it off. Artificial intelligence builds the bridge, and together, real solutions that could hit the streets tomorrow. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, people will always talk. But what if we listened? Not just to the noise, but the ideas beneath it. Artificial intelligence is not replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. It's turning sparks into stories and imagination into impact. Every prompt is a spark, every question is an invitation, every collaboration between human and artificial intelligence a new frontier for possibility, a bold step into uncharted creativity. So, keep asking, keep experimenting, keep imagining. With artificial intelligence in your corner, not just the night, but your whole world of possibilities stays wide awake. Thank you all, and let's keep the conversation going.